Here's a turtle with like a Superman thing on. Check that out. What do you think of that, girlie? Ooh, so you don't want the swordfish, huh? Look at this. This is my favorite. What is that? Have you ever seen one of those?
Uh-huh.
It's a seahorse.
You like seahorse.
Oh, it's so cute.
Why do you not like seahorse?
Timmy. Look at Timmy. He's saying, I love you, Sarah.
Oh, let's go.
Let me see. There may not be a place for that. I have a hard shell.
So, Dad, how are you?
There you go.
Good.
Let's go.
And this goes
Hey,
here.
you know what? This is called a toity
What
cat.
is...
toity
See, this
cat.
would fit
Oh,
here. The swordfish
never heard of
would
those.
fit in here.
He like gets up his
Check it
shoulder when
out.
he's
Look.
standing up, and when he's doesn't have a shoulder, he's like holding on the ground.
Now, she's got this
So
over
awesome.
here, too, which is like a Dora.
And he can shoot lasers when he has
She does it with water.
He was a really powerful.
She's got this, too. And
Really
there's
powerful.
water inside here, and the theory is she can, yeah.
Okay,
So, she's
alright.
got that.
Okay. I'm going to put the swordfish. Tickle Grandpa. There you go. See, it just fits in there, Sarah. That's the biggest one of all.